Compare very briefly the worldview or the value matrix of the contemporary world with the value matrix that's articulated in Scripture, we can see the contrast. For example, in the current climate right now, what's in the soil, those values that undergird things, are marked with dissatisfaction, scarcity, a desire for maximizing profits and growth, and self being defined primarily as a consumer of things. Now, that type of soil gives rise to institutions that are marked with little accountability to communities, both locally or globally, right? With poor stewardship of natural resources, with a high degree of debt, and that's driven, again, by maximizing profits in limitless growth. Now, contrast that with a biblical worldview, which is marked by some of these things. Rather than dissatisfaction, it's rooted in gratitude. Rather than a sense of scarcity, there's a conviction of God's provision. Instead of just maximized growth, there's a desire for sustainability, right? And instead of self being defined as a consumer, persons are defined by relationships and by responsibilities. And out of that soil grows institutions that are marked by things like this. By Sabbath keeping, that is putting margins on the use of our time. And by practices like gleaning, that is putting margins on our collection of profits. And the practice of Jubilee, which is putting margins on the acquisition of wealth. Not only that, but you find accountability to the communities we live in, and also to the generations in which we find ourselves, the generations before and the generations after.